Well, it is all over at F&B Stadium. That's in Calabash.
Happy birthday.
Woo! Happy 55th.
57 or something.
Woo! Damn.
55 years or something.
Kaizer Chiefs celebrate the birthday with a win. Amakhosi 2, Stellenbosch 1. You remember last week I said I am tired of saying Kaizer Chiefs lost, Kaizer Chiefs through. And today, I'm a happy man. I'm a happy man.
Happy birthday. Congratulations, my man.
And well, congratulations to Uduba. Come on, man. Come on, man. There by Calabash, and remember the tickets were only 30 rands because it's a celebration. I don't understand
First 4 games sold out.
It's midweek. You cannot expect Abantu they're going
Chiefs
to work
was-
tomorrow.
Chiefs.
And the weather is not nice. Come on. This is my views, my expressions. Mabuti, this is your first time joining in. Please do subscribe, share, and become the member of this most exciting family. Elami kama usiboniso sizo wakomnikazi sibongo lo Ntswempu owaziwa nje umhlaba wonke ukuthi Ntswempu. Angihambi ngedwa ke. Ngihamba no coach Mphela who opposes injabulo yamakhosi.
Kahle wena ungiqhatha nabantu. Ngithanda kabi amakhosi.
Mangathi amakhosi aphuma ngobuningi.
Ajabulile. Hayi,
Last week you said
yabona abalandeli bePirates bebebaningi. Istadium besipacked more than
and it was sunny in Cape Town. The weather is nice.
It was a birthday on this side. But on
The
this side,
weather
it was
was not
away.
nice.
But there were no at home.
No, let's talk about the game.
The game.
Let's talk
please,
about the game.
Please.
Last week or over the weekend, hey Nabi, I'm not sure about Nabi.
Yebo.
And Nabi now is pulling up a win.
Yeah.
How did
Nabi
you
is
make
pulling
up
on.
the
I'm happy that Nabi was pulled the win in. The guy was so under pressure. Oh, they're so under pressure. They conceded again. You could see your frustration. But today, in mentality.
Stellenbosch scores first, and the Kaizer Chiefs come back, and they equalize, and in the second half, they stay for the
Chiefs
finish.
was managing the game.
Yeah.
After they scored, Chiefs was just managing the game, and then Stellies was throwing everything that they had. It was throwing everything that they had. So, but when the game started, the Chiefs approached the game with a 4-2-3-1 as usual. I was also confused again. I was also confused by
what?
Who is the target man?
You are always confused.
Who is the target man of Kaizer Chiefs?
Today it was Dupri.
Dupri was playing on the right. You remember Dupri was always failing to do Amacross, always wanted to do Amacross on the right hand side. So who is the target man of Chiefs? I was very confused, especially the first. I told you when Gonzalez.
Confusing the enemy.
Yeah, when Gonzalez. Not Gonzalez. Hey, man, Uragachiva Vero, he always plays like Gonzalez. No, those guys there.
Wow.
Even Dupri, even I don't regard Dupri. But okay, today, who was playing the right back? Blom. Yeah. Blom, first half, he played very well on the right. Ukros. They usually say when it rains, it pours. It was not his game.
He had a terrible game.
A very, very terrible game. He missed that chance. Open net 1v1 with the keeper, just put the ball down and then move, and then after that he made that error. The back Chiefs, they know that they can start the ball from the back, but I don't know what they were doing there. And then Cross recovered the ball and then tried to play it, and then he still is they didn't even check. Still is they were all drifted. They were all there on that side. They overloaded that side, and then they just capitalized. They got the goal.
Titus.
Yeah, and then Titus played very well. He gave them a very hard time. He gave Cross the hard time. He gave Uti Klogo the hard time because I could understand. You see why this thing I was talking about, Chiefs doesn't have a consistent on a lineup. Today, Utupri was playing a right wing. Okay, where he doesn't have a strength. You started with Ukros. Okay, Ukros doesn't have a speed, but you could say, okay, the idea, because you remember he tried last time, he tried Usaile there to make him across. And then now he put across so that he can make him across. Okay, it also didn't work. And then he put these guys. You see, Chiefs was even playing a combination today because now there was Utuba, there is Uvilagazi, there is Umduotai.
Yeah.
Right.
Now, hold on. Before you talk about Umduotai, because we saw the miss you were talking about from Ukros, and then we saw the error there at the back. As a result, Titus, they win the ball there, they put that cross. Who's the guy? Makwane.
Yeah.
And then they score. And then around 30 minutes, there was a corner there. There was a corner there. And then Admesha, the corner, Dikoko touches the ball. Nekanda, and then Utuba finishes off. It's a goal. But little another goal, you say very separate for substitutions. Cross, Dupreez. In 30 minutes time, why are they taken out?
It's very simple.
Yeah. Because of a miss and an error at the back, you're taking me off.
He also committed other errors, misplacing a pass. You could see mentally that he was no longer on the game. You see when we were there on the bench, you could see the player, if the player is frustrated, if the player has a pressure. Utupri very was not okay. Utupri was taken out because of injury. He was taken out. Very that one. And then they put
Upotsane and Mfundo Vilakazi. We spoke about Upotsane last time. Kaizer Chiefs have players. Why do you play your Saile instead of Upotsane? That's what we were talking about.
Okay, what did he do? Upotsane. What did Upotsane do?
He tried to make some combinations there.
Okay, he tried.
Will you ever credit any player with Kaizer Chiefs?
Aibo. Uvilakazi ungenile wadlala into proper. Take the ball, cut in, do ilo cross, defense splitting pass. He was always trying that. You could see that he has a purpose. When he has the ball, he was cutting inside and trying to find Ushabalala or Utuba, depending who was playing a false nine. On the other side, that's why Chiefs was effective. When there was Utuba on the right hand side, he was cutting in to find Ushabalala. If Ushabalala is on the right side because they were rotating there in front. But Upotsane, you can't even tell me where he was playing. You couldn't even see where he was rotating with these guys because you could see with Utub, they are rotating. They once goes to a false nine and then come back to the wing. They were interchanging. You can't even tell me what Upotsane what was he doing. Those were interchanging with who? No one. But you could see that whenever he get the ball, he wants to cut inside. Blom wants to overlap. On the other side, on the left hand side, when there was Upotsane, I didn't see Chiefs having many attacks on the effective attacks on the left hand side. So I only saw them centrally and on the right hand side. And then Umthetwa played very well. Umthetwa played very well. He was making sure, especially first half, towards the end of first half, he was making sure that he was cleaning everything. Even Matt, because when they started first 15, Umat was playing more. Umthetwa was playing more advanced. Then Umat was the one that was sweeping everything. And then later, after 15 minutes, and then Umthetwa came back, and then Umat was the one that was trying to combine with Abo Tuba Nabo Shabalala Pambil. But it's just that defensively. They were facing Titloko, even he had a Macrams because he was facing Ulo.
But there's a speed there from the Titus, man. But while we were still on Umthetho, there was that foul on Unduli. Was that not a red card?
Hey, from where I was sitting, I think yellow. How? Why? No, I'm thinking no. That was a yellow card.
Is it?
Angeti for it to be a red card, it had to be reckless. It had to be excessive. It will be endangering the opponent. All those things. So, but when I'm looking at that foul,
So it was just a mistake.
Okay, but not a mistake, but not for Elisha. Nah, I don't think it was for. It deserved for.
I'm glad that he did not get it because it would have changed
the complexion, the whole complexion of the game
so badly. And another guy who seemed to be a problematic player in the Andalangayo is scoreless. Scorer Cardoso. No man. Who is the social at the back?
Oh, Miguel.
The guy is so excessive. Every time getting caution, every time giving a set pieces to the opponent. I'm worried about the guy.
Yeah. You remember when I said there is no leadership? I said it on the second or third game. There was a day where he got a red card. He always having my yellow cards. I'm sure maybe next week he is going to miss the game. Then he has to come back. I don't know how to make him.
The man is so ill-disciplined.
Yeah, but I want to talk about Stellenbosch.
Yeah, let's do that.
Stellenbosch, Baba. Stellenbosch. I loved the midfield. The midfield, got Adams, Nduli, I think no Chapa. They controlled the game. Especially first half, because Chiefs was not that much combining in the first half.
Not dynamic.
Yeah, the Stellenbosch was controlling the game in the midfield because they were three. It was a 3v2 because it was only Martin and Nomtetu, and then they were three. They were always playing, always outnumbering them in the midfield, and then the goal will go to the right back, and then they will go to the wingers for crosses, and then the player that was not on the game today, it was Utichong. Yeah, if Utichong.
As a result, they substituted him.
Yeah, he usually does a lot of job because usually he throws. Yes, he come and drop and then and pass the ball behind the defense of the opponent. But today he was not effective. I think that's why. But other than that, Utaitas also missed the chances because Utaitas missed the chances. The fair result for this game will be a draw. But I'm saying based on that number of chances that were got by Stellenbosch. But congratulations to Ilokuzane, the Ikeza Chiefs.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to Ikeza Chiefs.
But I want to do this, Moses Score. Bruce Vuma is my man of the match. The saves. Bruh, the saves.
Because Stellis was shooting outside the box, man.
Yes.
You could see the confidence.
I take my hat off. You are the man that you think you are. And for Amakos, Amakos. Man, I'm so happy. Please do subscribe, share, here. This is my views and my expressions. From me, I'm going to